Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. Today what I will be explaining is today I will be explaining about my Naukri profile. It's not about my Naukri profile, it's about your Naukri profile and you how you can optimize your Naukri profile to have a better search appearance and recruiter actions. So without wasting the time, let's jump onto the uh, topic. So mainly what we'll be doing today is we'll be letting you add the key skills, how you can add the key skills, what is the trending key skills. It's available for the that particular your domain. For now, I am using Java Spring Boot as a reference, so I will be uh, helping you for this particular domain how you can add the skills. But yeah, you can also do the Google for your particular skills. And yeah, so I am not using Naukri profile from many number of days, like around 1 month I have not used my Naukri profile. But if you'll see, still it is 6,560 views is there in my Naukri profile, and also 132 recruiter action. So if I'll say you this was more than 10K when I was using it actively. Hope so you will be not surprised. So yep, coming directly on how you can make this make the same number on your Naukri profile, we'll be talking about that. So first and most important thing in your Naukri profile, it should not be a normal software engineer written here. Software engineer at something, senior software engineer something. You should not write something like that. It should be always the summary of your position slash your some skills. And also you can add your notice period if you are serving, like slash serving notice period slash 1 month notice period. Like what is the thing, like whenever you a recruiter search for your profile, it should be able to see, yes, this guy is on notice period or this guy is having these skills, so there is a high chance your uh, click rate will be increased. Yes, it's a phone number, it's your email, that is common. Notice period, try to put 1 month. Why I'm saying that? There is a high chance that you don't get call when you click the notice, when you put the notice period more than 1 month or more than 2 months. So it's better to put 1 month. I will take out video how you can negotiate with HR that how you will able to compromise or come out of your current company within 1 month. If you want separate video on that, we'll take out for the same. But yeah, for now, just keep it 1 month. Resume, I have created my resume and uploaded here. If you want a video on resume, that how you will able to up, optimize your resume and a resume which is ATS friendly, have high ATS score, I will try to build that. Now coming on to the second important thing, which is called resume headlines. Resume headlines should not be one single sentence. The way you have written your highlights, or I can say your position there, in the same way you have to write your resume headline. So for me, if you will see here, it is backend Java developer and 4 years of experience. And what are the key skills I have? So it's Spring Boot, microservice, SaaS, REST API. And also I am specializing in which architecture. So for that, what you can do, you can come here and you can just upload your resume to any of the API AI. Okay, upload your resume and ask what you need to ask, that uh, you need to ask that what should be my resume headline, and you can give the reference as I want in this manner: position slash skills slash experience slash what I can write, my expertise. So for now I don't have resume handy with me, so what I will do, I will say do it for Java dev, right? Yeah, what I will give to chat Gemini, write write resume headline for Naukri, resume headline for Naukri for a Java and Spring Boot dev in the using the below reference. Yep. Nah, there are so many typo issue. Please bear with that. So it should be something like this: Java and Spring Boot developer with XCRF experience, expert in building microservices, Spring security, database optimization. So you saw that how they have written it. In the same way, you can ask for your particular domain. Now coming on to the skills part, many people I saw they used to only write 4 to 5 skills, and that is also not redundant, like that is also not useful. Most of them skills are redundant. So how you can get to know which skills are important? Use AI. We have that gift. What are the key skills I need to add in my Naukri profile? Simple. And just say the which, what is the domain for Java, AWS, Spring Boot, Dev. It's better if you will do the same thing by uploading your resume, so it will have a better context. So if you'll see here, it's core Java, it's I have added multi-threading, I have added Spring Boot, I have added Spring Cloud, I have added AWS, few things I have added, REST API I have added, MySQL I have added. So if you'll see, most of the things I have taken the help of AI, and most of the things I have added, it's include Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, Kafka, GraphQL, AWS, Docker, many things are there. Okay. So these are the main important 3 things which will able to highlight your Naukri profile on the top in front of the recruiter, on the top of others profile. Coming on to employment part. So this top you are saying, right? This thing is coming from employment section itself. So if you'll see here in the employment section, uh, you can write this job title. Now coming to here, notice period be always 1 month. And what is this? This is your job profile of your resume. Upload your resume, ask AI that please create a summary of 3000 character. Why I'm saying 4500 or 4000 character? Just give some random number which should be a greater number, and ask it to be make it in a way that it should match the current industry standard of Java and Spring Boot, or your domain. And you can give the top 5 skills. You can try to give some the skill which is not present here. Suppose it have the 250 character limit, as far I know. So suppose some skills if you will forget, you can add it here also, so that if any recruiter try to search, they will get to know. Okay. Try to mention your IT skills here and the project here, followed by LinkedIn and all everything. But most important thing, this should be correct. Resume headline should correct and skills should be correct. Now coming on to one more thing. So if you will come here, daily you will get some count that how many profile, how is your profile is performing, how much is the search appearance. So if you will click this, you will be able to open this page. This page will help you to get to know who viewed your contact. Is there any contact viewed today or not? If someone able saw your resume or not. So you will expect a call from the people. Also, there is one extra thing people don't care is this. So if like since I'm inactive on Naukri profile after my current job switch, if I'll put 90 days, you will see a number that which of the particular skills have land up most of the recruiter onto my Naukri page. So the Java is the one, second is microservice, third is AWS, fourth is Kafka, and fifth is Spring Boot. And suppose some of the skills which is not present here, and it's very important, you can just go and add it to the skills. Suppose Java is the one which is carrying most of the recruiter to my Naukri profile. What I'll do for them, I will add more things related to Java. I will add core Java, I will add J2EEs, which is enterprise version of Java, and also AWS is carrying most of the recruiter to my Naukri page. I will write AWS S2, AWS RDS, AWS EDS. So many things I can do with this also, and it's a very important section which will bring you, which will help recruiter to bring onto your Naukri profile. Last thing, so this video is not at all sponsored by Naukri, but there is something called services, and inside services there is something called resume display. So if you'll come here, this is the service which helped me lot to make my profile to bring on the top. It's depend upon you. I am not asking you to buy it, but if this all things won't work for you, what I want you to do, please go and invest some money onto your profile, which will later return in the form of your good package and salary. Yes, that's all. Uh, there are many other way that you can apply for the job, location, and all. But yeah, these are the all main thing you can do. And one more important thing, I missed to say that every day you have to come here and update your Naukri profile. And what you need to do, just uh, add one dot or remove one dot every day and just click on save. Once you click on save, it will automatically save your Naukri profile, and try to do it every day morning 9:15. If you try to do two times, that is also very good. Morning 9:15 and afternoon 1, the time when HRs usually start seeing the Naukri profile. So it will be morning and afternoon post lunch. So before that you start saving your Naukri profile so that your Naukri profiles appear on the top of your the database. So yes, that's all. If you will do this and start taking help of your Gemini to once you upload the Naukri resume, sorry, your resume, and ask all the question about how I optimize this, how I optimize key skill, what need to be added, and what should be my resume headline. So it will, I give a guarantee that yes, it will bring recruiter onto your Naukri profile. Okay, so that's all for the today's video. If you like the videos, please give a like. And if you don't like, if there is any feedback you want to give it to me, you can just write in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching.